Alright, so this week we decided to do something a little bit different. Instead of us interviewing all the celebrities, we asked Dia Mirza and Zayed Khan to turn hosts for us. So here are the two new love gurus in town quizzing unsuspecting youngsters on love, breakups and zindagi.
Hi, I'm Dia Mirza.
And I'm Zayed Khan.
And we're here at the Chocolate Room in Bandra today to have some fun, play some games, meet some youngsters and talk about
Love
breakups
and Zindagi.
So let's go in there and have some fun. Come on.
All right. Follow.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Radha.
Om.
And yours?
Vineet.
Vineet. All right. When was the
Information.
first time you actually had a crush on somebody?
In 6th.
In 6th standard.
How old were you?
11.
Wow. See, now we are a part of a very progressive nation.
Urban progressive nation.
Okay, tell me something. When did you have your first crush?
In 5th.
How old were you?
10.
And you want to tell us what it felt like?
No.
I'm going to ask you a trick question out here, right? What was it about her that you loved?
She was good looking. Yeah.
Good looking? As you can see, we've got our morals very high.
What are the 3 things that you would do to make a girl love you?
Wow.
Dress good in the school, like do something
Okay.
which
Like, as we can see here, dressing is at the highest point. Like, you know, looks are very important.
Physical side.
Yes.
2,
You have to shock them by something different.
shock them. Shock value.
Shock value.
Please note, people out there in their late 20s, early 30s, these are 15-year-olds giving you advice on love. Let's do what we did with our 14 and 13 and 15-year-old age group.
All right.
I want you guys to tell me 3 ways you would make someone break up with you. Let's get the devil out of you.
I think people hate nagging, so I would nag a lot.
Good point.
I would act like a baby. I'd stop him from going anywhere with his guy friend.
3 ways to break up. ये तो बड़ा जल्दी आ जाता है सबको. फट 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 फट.
Darling, it's not working anymore. And the second is, I'm Capri or Leo. I'm sorry.
Okay, so Capris and Leos, they don't
I'm
get along.
Capri or Leo. I'm sorry. Okay.
Man, that's got to be
And
like,
the
you know, that's got to be
third
one of the
thing
most
is,
original ones I've ever heard, you know. I'm Cancer, you're Virgo, it's not working. Whoa!
Okay, this is the last round. It's a physical compatibility round. It's a fun game. What is it called, Zai?
This game is called Peanut Polo.
Oh, gosh.
And it's to see the physical compatibility of two people who could like each other. And it's a game that we still play as grown-ups, and that's the
It's
child in
always
us. Do you want to throw it in his mouth? Yeah. Ah, see? And your time starts now.
Now. Since we haven't shared any of our secrets, you want to do it now?
I think it would be a good idea.
How you'll propose a girl you love?
I took the most beautiful girl in the world to me. I took her out for dinner, and I ordered this lovely bottle of champagne, and I wanted to propose to her because I wanted her to marry me. And you know, I set it up with the waiters that, you know, put 2 glasses, and when he poured the champagne into the glass, I took my ring out and I put it into the champagne glass. I think she realized there was a cling, cling, cling happening at the bottom of the champagne glass, and I said, you know, by the end of this, I think we'll be together forever. And she didn't quite understand until she heard the cling, cling, cling. And then I went down on my knees like this, and I said, babe, will you marry me?
On that note, huddle up. Let's do something
Come, guys,
fun.
come.
Let's sing a song and end this fantastic show. 1, 2, 3, go.
Love, 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 love क्यों हो जाता है तुमको जो पता हो तो बता दो मैं तो जानू ना
जाने love 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 क्यों हो जाता है तुमको जो पता हो तो बता दो मैं तो जानू ना